I'm at Santos Buffet. This is picanha and mashed potatoes. Alright. It's ridiculous. 392. It's got headers, ported intake. It's got a cold air. It's on the E85. And he changed out the gears to a much shorter gear. I think close to that. That's the Hellcat manual. Oh well, I missed that race. He's running Brandon's 392, and Brandon's car's back on the factory tune and it's back on stock wheels. I don't know, whatever. Alright, you're on the right. Come on back in 5 minutes, I'm coming for you. Alright, Roberto on the 10 speed.